Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to plantar fasciitis. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Patients with plantar fasciitis typically complain of pain when they first get out of bed in the morning. They usually hobble around for the first 10 minutes of the day, until their heel warms up and the pain subsides slightly. They also report pain after long periods of sitting, such as while driving or watching television. Other people complain of pain after sitting at their office desk all day. Plantar fasciitis causes pain at the base of the heel, which can be central or more often on the medial side. Home remedy for plantar fasciitis. One plantar fasciitis home remedy may work for one person but not another. Sometimes a home remedy for plantar fasciitis is beneficial simply because the patient has a very mild case of heel pain and has begun to treat it quickly, before it becomes chronic. To that end, a home remedy can be beneficial, but it does not always work for everyone. A note: after treating thousands of patients at the Sydney Heel Pain Clinic, it has become clear that the single most important factor in resolving plantar fasciitis is the physical support and unloading of the plantar fascia itself. The sports podiatrist can accomplish this in a variety of ways, but he or she can also demonstrate a very reliable and simple strapping technique that the patient can use as a plantar fasciitis home remedy. A well-known plantar fasciitis home treatment. Rolling your foot on a frozen bottle of water or any other hard cylindrical object is one of the most popular plantar fasciitis home remedies exercises. The idea is to massage the sole of the foot while also releasing the plantar fascia. At the same time, iced water is said to reduce inflammation and pain. However, it is not uncommon for the patient to experience an increase in symptoms after completing this exercise. In theory, this could be due to an overload of physical pressure from the hard object against the base of the heel, which simply irritates the plantar fascia further. While some of these plantar fasciitis home remedies provide temporary relief, sometimes for only a few minutes, they frequently cause long-term irritation and can prolong the heel pain condition. As a result, we do not recommend this treatment at Sydney Heel Pain Clinic. Plantar fasciitis home remedy. Foot stretch. Stretching the sole of the foot is another popular plantar fasciitis home remedy. One method is to stand on the edge of the steps and let your heel drop. Some people perform this exercise to stretch the calf muscles as well as the plantar fascia through the bottom of the foot. In theory, this would also stretch the flexor tendons and bottom foot muscles. These step stretches can be beneficial for some people, but they can also cause tearing or extreme irritation in the plantar fascia. This is due to a significant increase in load passing through the sole of the foot at the point where the plantar fascia connects to the heel. During these traditional stretches, the plantar fascia can be affected through the mid-arch area. Again, the Sydney Heel Pain Clinic does not recommend it. When it comes to stretching, the most effective plantar fasciitis home remedy is a supinated calf stretch while standing and leaning against a wall. 1 foot back, 1 foot forward, both feet straight ahead. The foot, on the other hand, must be supinated and must not pronate during the stretch. It should be noted that plantar fasciitis treatment is multifactorial, with no single panacea. Even if this stretch is done perfectly, or if another home remedy is done correctly, the condition will not be resolved. Often, at least one of two other contributing factors must be addressed. The sports podiatrist can correctly diagnose and highlight one or more of the contributing factors during a biomechanical assessment and physical examination at the Sydney Heel Pain Clinic. Following these exams, the podiatrist can devise a treatment plan that may or may not include a plantar fasciitis home remedy. During the consultation, the sports podiatrist can demonstrate the supinated calf stretch. Sydney Heel Pain Smartphone App. Sydney Heel Pain Clinic will provide every patient with the Sydney Heel Pain mobile phone application in order to provide the correct plantar fasciitis home remedy. The app lists the home remedies to avoid, but it also includes the home remedies with the highest success rates. Each patient is given a password in order to open and access the application's contents. The app is available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, and it is completely free for clinic patients. Using a beach towel or a bath towel to stretch. Stretching the bottom of the foot with a long beach towel or bath towel is another common plantar fasciitis home remedy. Again, this is dangerous. It can be beneficial for mild cases of plantar fasciitis if the condition is detected early enough. This stretch has advantages because it is a good way to lengthen the calf muscles. It should be noted that the plantar fascia is not a stretchable or lengthenable structure. As a result, there is a risk of overloading the fascia and increasing the pulling sensation at the heel's base. Some patients will experience short-term relief from this plantar fasciitis home remedy, but the condition will persist. Heat packs as a home treatment for plantar fasciitis. If a patient's heel pain condition has been severe enough, they will seek out as many plantar fasciitis home remedies as possible. A warm wheat bag or other type of heat pack applied to the base of the heel will provide temporary relief. Because of the short-term pain relief, the patient will reapply the heat pack against the heel every day until they realize the condition is not improving. It has been proposed that the increased blood flow caused by the heat pack causes vasodilation and allows for an increase in inflammatory cells around the heel. This increase in inflammation only serves to prolong the condition and exacerbates heel pain.